Well, guys, they're about to tow the Cavi-maro. I think it's like a Cavalier mixed with a Camaro someone did. Did some really good work on it for what it is. It's got the ticket on it though. It's probably about to be towed. Check out those taillights. Man, nice exhaust too. Someone put in the wrench time. It's nobody's car.